Matters that connect us to the past lead us into the future. For guidance, look no further. Meet Ljubljana's craftswomen and craftsmen, turning the mysteriously connected threads of time into a discovery of joy. How does home feel like? Mend your umbrella with MARIJA, the umbrella maker. Realize that feeling warm and protected is something you can carry around with you. How can earth dance? Find the answer with Eva the sculptor when you wrap your hands around clay and calm its dance into a vase or a cup and into a new life. Do thoughts have shapes? Of course they do, reveals Marko the printer. And colors too, you might add, when you discover them at his vintage workshop. What is the sound of love being forged? Share in the secret with CHRISTOPH the goldsmith. Hear the precious metals emerging from fire and from under the goldsmith's hammer, whispering of presence and beauty. Is imagination warm? Welcome into the world of MOJCA the weaver. Find that abundance of colors and the rhythm of skill that will surely keep your heart singing. Unveil the mysteries of traditional Slovenian handicrafts. Visit Ljubljana. Book the workshops today.